Hi, it's been a while now. I think it's been 7 months since I uploaded my last update about my cancer journey. Hi everyone, my name is Mary, and to all those who are new in this channel, hello everyone, and to all those who are been tuning always and always following me, thank you so much. So my name is Mary again. I am here currently living here in New Brunswick, Canada, mother of three. I've been diagnosed with triple negative breast cancer last October, and now I am done with my chemotherapy, my operation, and I am now starting my radiation, and this is my second day of radiation. So ano ba ang radiation? Well, the radiation that I am doing right now is radiation na I am not actually in a machine eh. I'm just laying down, nakahiga ako, and then there's one machine na umiikot sa ano ko, sa harap, on the front, on the side. So they also put me some patch. I forgot the name, but it was actually a clear patch, parang plastic na nilalagay dito sa certain parts para hindi siya masyadong sabi nila is ma-burn. Experience is
Makapagtawanan ka pa nila doon.
feeling okay now, but the nurse just like reminded me that
Makapagtawanan ka pa nila doon.
fatigue na different sa fatigue na nararamdaman ko before. So she actually emphasized me that I will feel extreme fatigue. So I don't know what is the meaning of that, but she told me that mararamdaman ko siya in the middle of the treatment, probably 3 to 4 days after I will feel it. But you know what? I don't know if it is like naiisip ko lang siya dahil sumasakit yung likod ko. For some reason, I don't know. But, wag natin siya masyadong entertainin because the universe is, feeding pinifeed natin ng universe kung ano man ang sinasabi natin o iniisip natin. So, think positive na walang masakit para hindi tayo magkaroon ng sakit. So, yun lang. So, what happened to me for the past few months, guys? So, for the past few months, there's a lot of things na nangyari for me personally. For this journey, I've been realized a lot of things. I've been like thinking about of things na mga bagay na take for granted mo noon, and now you realize that yun pala yung pinakamahalaga. And at the same time, as I always telling, and to all those people who are asking me, I always tell this, that for me having a cancer is a blessing in disguise, because if I don't think na hindi ko maiintindihan yung mga bagay-bagay if I haven't go in this kind of journey in my life. God is really good. You know why? Because He make certain things na sa una mararamdaman natin or feeling natin, maiisip natin that it is a disaster or like a curse sa atin or a karma or something like that. But no, if you are going to look at it in that way, then probably you're going to die or you're going to be depressed, di ba? But if you're going to look at it in another way, in another opposite side, then definitely you're going to make it through, and you will learn a lot of things along the way. I promise you that. As I experience, I just realized that family is all that matters. Those people who love you, those people around you na nagki-care sa'yo, na nagpi-pray sa'yo, those people you have met just because sharing of experience na hindi mo alam na magbibigay pa pala sa'yo ng, ng ibang meaning sa buhay mo, 'di ba? So that whole thing happened to me in my 7 to 8 months of staying dito sa bahay, meeting people, trying things na bago sa akin, 'di ba? And also, trying other options na makakapagpabago sa buhay ko, and reading books, right? Reading books. I love reading books before, but because I'm so busy doing a lot of things, juggling jobs and doing catering, hindi ko na yata maisip kung kailan yung huling o kung ano man yung books na huling binuksan ko at natapos ko ba siya, I don't actually know. Pero ngayon, I've been like reading some of the books na talagang nagbibigay sa akin ng inspiration and at the same time knowledge, 'di ba? New learnings, 'di ba? Ika nga dahil nga when you open the book talaga, you will be amazed kung ano yung talagang ibibigay niyang lesson sa iyo. Kaya ano pa ba? So I was so happy. I am actually happy na nandito ako ngayon that I'm sharing this experience now. I'm really, really sorry. I promised myself na since I did my YouTube channel that I will be updating you guys. I'm really sorry kung hindi ako nakapag-update sa inyo ng madalas. But I am trying my best to upload, guys, and see na makita ninyo kung ano yung nangyayari behind the scene ng aking buhay. So, thank you again, and to all those new and sa mga tao na manunood and going to watch this video. I hope that this message will resonate you. If you think that this message has resonated you, just comment below. Comment the topics that you wanted us to talk about, experience and journey that you wanted to share. Feel free to message. Okay, so thank you again, guys, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye.